Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing all the crafting. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not doing any crafting today. Today is a Dollar Tree haul. We also have a few items from Target. So it was tons of fun. So let's go take a look. All right. So I'm going to start off with the items I got from Target. And my Target is very close to one of the Dollar Trees I always go to. So it's a pretty easy stop. The first thing I got, I don't really know why I got these, but you know, it is at the dollar bullseye's playground spot. Actually, all these items were in that same little area there. This is Plant These Seeds to Save the Bees. This is some sort of flower or something that you plant and the bees are attracted to it, which then helps to pollinate your other flowers. And then to go along with that, I got Plant Science Veggie Grow Kit. So this is supposed to be tomatoes and snap peas. So I have purchased one of these once before in the broccoli microgreens, and it did grow, you know, but it was pretty useless after it grew because you eat it and then it's gone. But anyway, so I bought those two. These were $3 each. And then I got these, well, this is chalk markers, and these were $1, and these were two for $1. I normally get the chalk markers at Dollar Tree, but this had 2 in it, so I thought I'd give those a try. And then I also got these metallic markers, and they also were $1. And again, Dollar Tree has these as well, but this was both silver and gold, so I thought I'd give those a try as well. And then we have this removable, what does it say? Removable wallpaper. Now this, I don't know if you probably can't see that pattern very well, but it's just a very muted, kind of a diamondish type of pattern. And I have a few ideas of what I'm trying to do. I'm not going to say it out loud because I don't want it to be a complete fail. But I got those because I do want to try to do what I'm thinking. And then that's it for Target. That was just a quick, simple stop. So that's it for Target. Then I'll move on to Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree, I'm going to try to go through, I guess, the household stuff first. The first thing I picked up were these swim Noodle kickboards. Again, my husband is a full-time reseller. I'm a part-time reseller. And so we're always looking for something to help protect some of the items we sell. Because we do go through a lot of the like PlayStation guitars and Xbox guitars and a lot of VCRs, a lot of tape decks, all that kind of old school stuff. So this helps to protect those. And then I picked up this Bolt 24. I've never tried this before. This is, what is this? Mixed berry flavor. I've never tried this before. I actually picked it up because I needed some sugar, and then I completely forgot I picked it up, so I bought something else. But anyway, so let's give this one a taste. I've never tried it before. It is super full. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, the flavor is good. It's got a little bit of a electrolyte flavor, I think is what it is. So it's got a little bit of some kind of flavor to it. And then, actually, this was from Target. I forgot about this. So I grabbed these organic licorice and pomegranate flavor. They were on discount. I don't know how much. They were probably $1 or something like that. So I picked those up. I forgot about those. And then one of my favorite snacks from Dollar Tree are the Toffee Cashews. They're little tiny cans, but they are so delightful. It's worth getting the little tiny cans. So I got 2 of them this time because I'm greedy and I want to eat them all. And I picked up this little strainer spoon thing. What do they call it? They call it a skimmer. A skimmer. And it says it's dishwasher safe. Just, you know, strainer. It's a strainer basically to pick up your, you know, whatever you're cooking, green beans or vegetables or whatever. That's what that is. And my husband is a huge Star Trek fan, and so I picked up some Star Trek socks. I can probably predict he will never wear these socks because he only believes in wearing black socks. Pure black socks, nothing else. But I still picked them up because I thought they were cute. So we have, and I don't know the names. I don't remember what they are. But we have Spock. Is that who this is? Spock, I think, with the pointy ears. And we have Captain Kirk. That's who William Shatner was, I think. Maybe. So Captain Kirk. And we have just the Star Trek Enterprise ship. And I believe this is Picard, Captain Picard. I guess I do know all their names. Look at me looking like I know something. So those were cute, I thought. And, you know, he'll probably never wear them. So they'll probably end up being my socks. But that's okay. I'm good with that. And then I got this little bath sponge. It is exfoliating buffer, a tougher clean. It says for him, but this is going to be for her because I like to feel clean. And so this is pretty, it's pretty tough as it says. So I'm going to give that a try. And then just some regular sandwich bags. Nothing special there. And some wig caps. My husband uses these a lot after his hair is cut. And I use them as well once after I've washed my hair. The night after I wash my hair, I always wear it because my hair gets so frizzy. Like right now, you can see how frizzy it is. Try to avoid that with these wig caps. And they're very helpful. And very good for $1. And then this is kind of getting into craft supplies now. These were the nylon cable ties or zip ties. So they had either 100 of the red and black that were smaller or 60 of these that were a little bit bigger. So I went ahead and got the 60 that are a little bit bigger. And for the first time in well over a month, I found Floral Foam. And I even found it in green and white. And you'll notice it's just the small block. So maybe that's a sign that they're, in my stores at least, they're not going to do the big blocks anymore. But I picked these up because I haven't seen Floral Foam at my Dollar Trees in forever. So I definitely had to pick those up. And I got some contact paper. Some of the floral, I have this already. I've used it like inside of my bins and just random various places. So I like that. So I picked up more of that. And then I think the rest is all crafting. So I grabbed this Make It Blocks base plate. It's rather large. Let me see. Does it have a size? It doesn't have a size, but it's rather large. You'll see my hand is only, you know, that big. So it's probably a 12 by 12 or something like that, 10 by 10. So I figured it's, I don't know. It's you know, where you can click your Legos in there. But obviously I don't have Legos, but I'll click something in there. And I grabbed one of these little phone rings. Now, my idea was to use this as a hanger, but then I started looking at it. I might actually end up putting it on my phone. We'll see what happens. And then this cutlery set, they're wood forks, knives, and spoons. What are there? There are 4 of each. So 4 knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons. And these are wonderful to be crafted with. They are begging to be crafted with. And I've seen other people using them for various crafts. So I'm going to give those a try. And then I grabbed something that I hadn't seen before. This was Finger Skateboard. And it comes with 2 skateboards and then some extra wheels and a cute little screwdriver and some screws. And I figured I'm not going to play with it as a skateboard. I'm sorry, I'm not. But I do think I could use it as some sort of wheelie thing for some craft I make. I don't know what. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I thought that was cool. I only saw one. It was the first time I'd ever seen such a thing. So I grabbed them for sure. Because remember, if you see something and you're not sure about it, you better grab it. Because it won't be there when you go back. I promise you that. And then this was something new for me as well. These were the LED string lights, but these have greenery that are surrounding the wire. So I thought that was really cool, and we'll definitely be able to use that in some manner. And then just this good old standard craft cubes. Nothing big there. I use these a lot for feet and, you know, other various like strengthening corners and stuff like that. So love those. And then I picked up another exfoliating bath glove. I picked one up probably about a month ago or so, and I have been using it to stain, which is actually paint, but to stain items. And so now I have two, so I can feel better about my hands not being so dirty. So I got that. And that is everything. That's everything I got. And not a big, huge haul. I think it was only like 27 bucks or so from Dollar Tree. And remember, get a membership, sign up for Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards, you scan in or you take a picture of your receipt. You're collecting points off of all these receipts, and then you can buy gift cards with those points that you've collected. So it takes a little bit. When you first sign up, you get like 4,000 points, which 5,000 points is the first time you can get a reward. But it's really cool because it's just free money just waiting for you, just for scanning or taking a picture of your receipt. So always make sure you check out Fetch Rewards. I'll try to put a link down below so that you all can see that if you haven't already. The Crafty DIY guy, that's where I got the idea from, and I've been using it ever since, and it's great. I've got my first Amazon gift card and have long since used that, and so just working on my second. And they give random bonus points, like this drink got me an extra 50 points instead of just a regular scan would be like 5 points. It's got me 50 points, so that was cool. So anyway, that's everything for today. Just a quick haul. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would, please give me a big thumbs up down below. If you would also subscribe to my channel. Again, it's a brand new channel, just starting out. And also leave a comment. If you like any of the items or haven't seen any of the items, leave a comment, let me know. That's it for today. So again, thank you so much. Have a great one.